Every day, our lives are filled with unique moments. Moments we all take for granted, but moments that make our life special. Moments of celebration. Moments of discovery. Moments of exhilaration. And moments of relaxation. But do we ever stop to think about what makes a moment special? About how these moments are protected? About just how businesses are able to bring these moments to life for people across the world. For almost a century, our team has been there, supporting manufacturers, laboratories, and production lines all over the world, giving them the tools to bring these unseen moments to life. By offering the highest quality of test and inspection solutions, we provide customers around the world with equipment that protects the integrity of their products, materials, and packaging across a wide range of different testing applications. From raincoats that keep you dry, to airplanes that keep you in the sky, packets that keep your food fresh, and deliveries that bring you treats. From technology that lets you escape, to devices that could save your life. For all of this to happen, we are here, making your everyday routine a little bit brighter. Making those unseen moments happen. By protecting the integrity of businesses all over the world.